hands we pour the stream, a symbol bright of Ignatius' dream. Through roots that reach and branches high, we find our faith beneath the sky. Water the roots, let love take flight. Together we grow in the guiding light. From humble seeds to a canopy wide, unity blooms where hearts reside. The tree of life stands strong and true. Its leaves embrace the morning dew. In every drop the promise flows, a world of hope where kindness grows. Saint Ignatius, lead our way through every dawn, through every day. Teach us to nurture, teach us to share. In the sacred act we find our prayer. Water the roots, let love take flight. Together we grow in the guiding light. From humble seeds to a canopy wide, unity blooms where hearts reside. Now as we gather in this space, we honor growth, we honor grace. The tree we tend, a living sign of values deep, of love divine.